This entire children's book, the story, the illustrations, the cover, all of it, was made in one afternoon using free AI tools and zero drawing skill. By the end of this video, you know exactly how to make one yourself and list it for sale online today. Let's go. Welcome back to Minted with AI. If you watched last week's video on the 5 free AI tools, this is where we put them to work. Today we are building a real product from scratch, a children's book, and I'll show you exactly how to set it as a digital download online. Let's break it into 4 simple steps. Step 1. The story. Open ChatGPT and ask it to write a short children's story. Be specific with your prompt, age range, number of pages, tone, and a simple lesson or theme. Here is the prompt I'm using right now. Write a 10-page children's story for ages 3 to 5 about a shy dragon who learns to make friends. Keep sentences short and simple, 1 or 2 per page. A complete story, broken into pages, ready to illustrate. This took under 2 minutes. Step 2. Illustrations. Take each page of your story and turn it into an image prompt. I'm using Microsoft Designer for this. It's completely free and generates clean, consistent illustrations perfect for children's book. The key is keeping your character description identical in every prompt, so your dragon looks the same on every page. Same dragon character, new scene, new page. Repeat this for every page of your story.
Body's
Step 3. Putting it all together. Open Canva and search for children's book template. Drag your AI generated images into one page, then add your story text underneath using a clean, readable font. Keep it simple. One image, 1 or 2 lines of text per page. Once every page is done, add a cover page with your title and a back cover with a short description. Then export the whole thing as a PDF. Canva does this in one click under the share menu. Just watch me do it. Step 4. Selling it. For Nigeria creators, Selar is your best option. It accepts Nigeria bank accounts directly and you can withdraw your earnings in Naira or dollars. Go to selar.co, create a free account and upload your PDF as a digital product. Set your price between $2,000 and $5,000 or $5 to $15 for international buyers. Add preview images so that buyers can see what they are getting. Write a clear description listing the file type and page count, and you are ready to publish. Let's talk real numbers. Cost to make this $0 using only free tools. Time invested about 3 hours for your first one, faster than that. Digital children's books on Selar typically sells between 2,000 and 5,000 naira. Because it's a digital download, you make that same product an unlimited number of times with no extra work. Treat this as a long-term passive income stream, not an overnight win. That's the full process. Story, illustrations, assembly, and listing, all with free tools. If you make one, drop a comment and let me know how it turned out. Subscribe to Minted with AI for next week's video, and I'll see you in the next one.